Hi guys, today I really have a special, not gift, but a special thing for me. And it's a bird, but it's not like a real bird. And it's like a ball. You know what it is, what I'm talking about. It's like kind of like an egg. And guess what? There's babies inside of it. So here it is. I had it forward, but it cracked. These are real eggs. It will hatch when it needs to. This one has a baby inside of it. This one, it doesn't. This one, it really does. This one. Looks like there's a prize inside. I'm gonna crack it. So just hold on really quick. I have a little bucket. Okay. Ready? Then I'm just gonna have. I don't know if I want to open it. This is what I'm gonna open. I don't know. It did have a baby in there. Look at that. It's a baby. Is it died? I already know there's one in here, so I'm just gonna have one egg. Ugh. Oh my god, it died. It died. Look at that. It died. So that means I only have like one egg. That really smells bad. I'm gonna need to go and wash my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands. And I only have one more baby alive. And and I'm gonna sell bracelets. And there's gonna be 2 of them. 2. Okay, so the first one is these 2 bracelets. Then number 2 is this bracelet. And this is what the nest like. This is what the nest. Well, it came with another nest, so yeah. And I'm just gonna put these things in the nest. I was really hoping if they will come on. I'm not sure if that sticky thing. Wait. If that sticky thing right there, but the ones that's stuck on the bottle is a bait. I'm not sure. So yeah, have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe. And can you name the bird for me? Comment down below and name it for me, and I'll choose whatever one. So yeah, subscribe, and also I forgot to say in the beginning, hi guys, this is a puppy, Alika, and have a nice day. Bye.